So do you guys know why we are celebrating Environment Day on June 5th like every year?
No.
So the main reason was the first environmental summit was conducted on 1972 on June 5th. So the main intention of this was to promote or to create awareness regarding environment conservation. So in addition to that, they have adopted the slogan, basically only one earth, to protect the pressing needs of our environment.
I'll share an example on that. In 2019, Gurgaon got a special award that was most polluted city in the world. The citizens of Gurgaon almost planted 1,25,000 plants just to reduce their pollution problem. So what happened was government needed a 6-lane fancy highway to reduce 6-hour journey from Mansar to Gurgaon. But as a result, now they got the award which is most polluted city in the world.
So as Jain said, I also have an example with me, that is acid rain. You know what happened to one of the 7 wonders of the world, Taj Mahal? It was early, it was in pure white color. But when the factories near the Agra started to emission, the gases containing sulfur dioxide and nitrous oxide, these gases started to damage the white marble and turned into yellowish color. And also the Statue of Liberty in America, what happened to it? It is turning daily green day by day. And of course, acid rain is destroying the natural beauty of all the monuments around us. Right? Okay.
So yes, Achu, you were correct. So there is a greater impact of this environmental pollution on our climate change also. Okay. So as you know, we are getting hotter temperature day by day. So since 1980s, I think each decade is getting warmer than the previous one. Okay, and I will give you another example. I think all of us, you have heard like about Mocha.
Yes.
So it is the first cyclonic storm of 2023 which occurred on May 10th. Okay, and it causes destructive like damage in Bangladesh and Myanmar. So, and along with that, there is one more thing, that environmental pollution is having impact on mental health also. So what is happening, like the pollutants that is present in water and air, that is getting into our body, and it is causing like inflammation and swelling of the nerve.
So guys, I guess we have forgotten something very important thing. Any hints? No. Global warming and ozone depletion. Yeah, you know why global warming is caused. It's because of the excessive of pollution and the harmful gases which is causing everywhere. And also the ozone depletion. Same cause, but the another thing is we are suffering under that ozone hole, which is in the Antarctica region. But the ozone hole is also getting healed nowadays. And you know what's the reason behind that?
COVID-19.
Exactly, it is COVID-19. Only thing, because since we were locked up at our home, even our vehicles were also locked up along with us. So, no much of air pollution. So, due to the reduced air pollution, the ozone hole is slowly getting healed. So, I guess this is one of the minor contribution which we have done unknowingly. Yeah. So, Arunima.
So as Sharon said about global warming, so not only global warming, but it is also increase in disease. We can see that nowadays the disease is continuously increasing, such as respiratory problems. We can see asthma, bronchitis, dust allergies also is occurring nowadays. And due to this, the mortality rate is also increasing drastically day by day. And also the babies born in our era, we can see that the immunity is less than our ancestors. For example, we can see that jaundice, then blood disorders also we can see, and many other severe problems are also there, that is cardiovascular diseases, then other illnesses are also there. And due to untreated water, we can that persons can suffer with diarrhea, dengue, dysentery, cholera, and many other several diseases.
Okay, so guys, you know that the common cause of pollution is plastic nowadays. Basically, if we take Bangalore, we can notice so many cows roaming here and there for taking their food. The people dump a large number of plastics near almost all places. These cows consume them and thinking as food, but it get accumulated and cause death. For animals, the plastic doesn't only look like food; it smell it like too. For example, I will take an example also. For marine species, plastics attract them in addition with contaminant things like algae and phytoplanktons. Okay, then before further neglection, we must put our action for conserving our environment.
So guys, The ending of use and through mentality is not just about reducing pollution, but it is about showing respect to all creation. Everything comes from the living earth, so let's use it responsibly. So let's join our hands and nurture the nature. Happy World Environment Day.